Hey guys, my name is Dima GTR and today I'm here again at Go 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 Crew. Well, I'm doing it for the Go Go Crew thing. Today I'm outside. I'm going to show you this baby because I got the six double A batteries. No, double A 6 batteries. My Max is here. Say hello, Max. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, you can't see him. But this baby, I'll show you in action. And look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Wait, where's the on button? Just wait, just wait. Just wait. Look at this, guys. So if you see that, that's where the thing is. So yeah, let's fly up. Max, okay. Nah, Max. My dog is starting to attack it. He does not like it. Oh. Okay guys, I had to crash there because I was about to go over. I was about to go over the wall. Okay guys, so the only thing you can do is today we're gonna put it in night, fully night. I was using the light. Oh god, I can barely see it, guys. Can you see it, guys? Oh, sorry guys if you can see the nighttime. I wanted to show you guys at this nighttime because it's awesome. Ah! I did not see it. Guys, today when I was testing it out, so I got all my finger nails cut. Yeah, that's right. And so yeah, this just hit my elbow like a sword. And then a flaming dino, or aka beast, got hit. Like I was using it the next day, got hit in his arse. Yeah, so that was a funny thing. So yeah. My dog. My dog is attacking it. Can you see it, guys? So yeah, guys, this was just a view of this baby. I was trying to do some tricks, and what happened was, oh god. What happened? It was a trick that I went under a flaming dino's. I call him Christmas. You can call him Christmas. And went under his legs and back up. It was I might do that next time. He's not at my house. He went home. So tomorrow he'll be able to come back. Well, probably I'll be doing all of this at his house. So yeah, let's just give this one more time. And yeah, I guess then we're gonna have to say bye bye. There you go. Say bye bye. No, it's sometimes hard. Okay, I landed on a soft place. So yeah. No. Oh. Okay, got it. That's how you have to kind of catch it. I'm doing the back garden, so that's why I keep catching it. And so yeah, guys, comment down below what you think about this cool guy, and peace out. So yeah, bye.